as your neighbor receives their 9th package of the week, ARAI AI is busily building beyond the traditional mailbox towards an autonomous last-mile (ALM) mailbox ecosystem that promises to bring us robotic drone deliveries securely and efficiently. This emerging market, referred to as Mailbox as a Service (MaaS), focuses on last-mile deliveries for all kinds of packages, from medicine and supplies of all sorts to food. By inspecting this delightful delivery dream, ARAI AI's path forward will be clarified for postage, sending us the details on its technical and logistical plans that are already being tested in real-world settings. Along with growing recognition it's gained from patent progress and market coverage, following its initial public offering back in May. To unbox ARAI's ALM system in simple terms, it can be thought of as mailbox modernization that's able to handle autonomous deliveries from ground robots, aerial drones, and regular old humans. Having machines handle mail isn't as simple as having contraptions that can dump packages into a box, because of the possibility of inaccurate and insecure delivery. After all, you wouldn't want drone damage or robot wreckage just to get your mail. That's why ARAI's 3-part system has ALM mailboxes, which are access points called ARAI points, a foundational patent for a universal access point, which enables interactions between people, robots, and drones. It was filed ahead of similar filings, including Amazon's. Over the years, ARAI AI has expanded its intellectual property to include features like climate control and anti-theft capabilities for enhanced security. ARAI points are then supported by a platform with software services and AI technologies for optimization, with the goal of achieving efficient and secure last-mile delivery by providing smart logistics, tracking data, and custody controls for autonomous delivery services. ARAI's ALM system is already being tested to prove its worth to clients ranging from a Fortune 500 logistics company to a Sunbelt innovation campus and a specialty pharma logistics provider. Pilot projects like these help get an idea on the potential return on investment and assess the feasibility of integrating ARAI's MaaS solution into customer operations. By offering MaaS as a subscription service, ARAI lowers upfront costs and simplifies operations. Then, to really put the AI in ARAI AI, data is being collected across the 5 crucial areas of delivery, pickup, users, environment, and autonomous logistics to refine AI models and improve the overall service. For maximum effectiveness, it's estimated at least 200 ALM access points and 3 deliveries per day per unit are needed to gather enough data to optimize these models by 2026. Then, to generate revenue, ARAI has outlined 3 streams, starting with the aforementioned MaaS subscriptions, along with data monetization via AI and ML, in addition to operational platform fees. MaaS subscriptions will cover hardware, software, and support, with revenue projections growing significantly over the next decade. Data monetization will involve local IoT processing and network data analysis, while platform fees will come from providing insights and automation services to stakeholders. To help make these revenue streams a reality, favorable regulatory developments propose to allow drones to fly beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS, which will greatly benefit the autonomous delivery industry. Since new rules are aimed at safely integrating unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, into national airspace, removing the need for individual flight waivers and introducing critical safety roles like operations supervisor and flight coordinator, ARAI's CEO Dan O'Toole emphasizes the need for the U.S. to catch up with other countries already using drones for delivery, adding that drones offer a faster, more sustainable way to deliver goods, especially in sectors like healthcare and public safety. Adding weight behind such assertions comes from ARAI working with Sky Air Mobility, India's leading drone delivery platform, to bring secure, automated delivery solutions to India, giving ARAI AI a springboard into a high-demand, rapidly growing market. Sky Air, which offers drone deliveries in as little as 7 minutes, currently handles around 6,000 deliveries daily in cities like Gurugram and Bengaluru. After the initial deployment of 60 ARAI points, the plan is to expand to 500 units across India, focusing on the New Delhi area, home to over 33 million people. ARAI points are secure, app-accessible delivery hubs designed to work with drones, robots, and other autonomous delivery systems. These smart mailboxes offer key features like temperature control, security, and advanced tracking, providing Sky Air with infrastructure for secure, reliable delivery points to speed up its efforts to scale up its drone operations. The collaboration is also aligned with both companies' sustainability goals, as each drone delivery reduces carbon emissions by 520 grams compared to traditional delivery methods. As drone delivery continues to grow in India, ARAI AI's technology ensures security, addressing potential challenges like theft in autonomous logistics, possibly setting a precedent for how the global logistics landscape could evolve, given that India serves as a large and diverse case study, one that could further validate the value of Arrive AI's Arrive Points as a potential solution to long-standing security issues in the $191 billion U.S. package delivery market by allowing for secure, verifiable, and contactless deliveries through drones, robots, or human drivers. Since every delivery is tracked and authenticated from start to finish, providing a secure chain of custody. To help with this at home, Peachtree Corners, one of America's first smart cities, teamed up with Arrive AI to launch its ALM system. As part of the city's Curiosity Lab ecosystem, Arrive Points introduce AI-powered smart mailboxes for secure, hands-free, climate-controlled package delivery, having compatibility with drones and ground robots, offering 24/7 tracking, verification, and dispensing of packages, while also featuring advanced heating and cooling to maintain optimal temperatures for deliveries. Peachtree Corners City Manager Brian Johnson highlighted the city's role in pioneering autonomous delivery solutions, which align with its vision for forward-thinking infrastructure, and that working with Arrive AI allows businesses and residents to experience secure climate-controlled deliveries firsthand. To optimize delivery performance while remotely monitoring unit health and safety, Arrive Points operate on T-Mobile's 5G network, ensuring low-latency, high-speed connectivity that enhances real-time tracking and monitoring. Arrive AI CEO Dan O'Toole explained how the program in Peachtree could demonstrate how porch piracy can be reduced, while lowering emissions and accelerating the transition to fully autonomous delivery systems. Other support for Arrive AI's growth comes from it selecting Synoptech as its IT partner, chosen primarily for cybersecurity and AI-powered managed services to help scale Arrive's infrastructure. With its credentials bolstered by working with Microsoft and ServiceNow. Under the 3-year agreement, Synoptech will assist with solution design, implementation, and IT management to build a secure, scalable IT backbone for Arrive AI's global ambitions. On top of that, Arrive expanded its partnership with Allmart Act Antigua to enhance secure deliveries in Antigua and Barbuda. Following successful trials with smart mailbox technology, the collaboration will deploy Arrive Points, offering advanced features like temperature control, data tracking, and emergency lighting, helping to address security concerns and increase convenience by ensuring that deliveries are protected from theft or damage, even when consumers are not home. As increased demand for autonomous and traditional deliveries grows on the island, Allmart is a suitable partner since it previously handled 120,000 deliveries annually, while the moderate regulatory environment around drone usage in Antigua positions it as an ideal testing ground for future drone deliveries. At the same time, testing on the island expands Arrive's global footprint and provides another case study that will add to the foundation for widespread autonomous delivery, becoming accepted in more markets. When it comes to autonomous delivery specifically for healthcare, Arrive is proving its concept by working with Hancock Health in Greenfield, Indiana, by focusing on robotic medical deliveries at Hancock Regional Hospital. The 2-year partnership represents Arrive AI's first revenue-generating deployment and aims to automate medical specimen deliveries between the hospital's cancer center and laboratory, eventually incorporating 24/7 delivery that includes drones for time-sensitive medical deliveries, while also ensuring chain-of-custody transfers with Arrive Points providing a standardized interface for all deliveries, resulting in improved efficiency by delivering to nurses' stations to address inefficiencies, like staff time spent transporting specimens and delays in lab results, as well as increased security and reduced costs. After a phased rollout of robotic systems and optimized delivery routes, drones will be introduced for off-site deliveries, with the goal of expanding across Hancock Health's 30-plus locations by 2027. So far, at least 2 Arrive Points have already arrived for installation at Hancock Regional Hospital. Similarly, Arrive AI and Go2 Delivery, a Virginia-based carbon-free courier company, are advancing specialty pharmacy products delivery for high-risk medications, such as those used for HIV or cancer treatments. By deploying Arrive Points in Virginia Beach, challenges like delivery errors in apartment complexes will be addressed, while ensuring secure, temperature-controlled shipments with lower carbon footprints. To smoothly handle more deployments, Arrive previously prepared by hiring 40 new team members to support its global expansion and scale its platform services. Among those 40, there are roles like AI scientists, software and product engineers, along with sales and marketing positions, with most of these new hires now based in Fishers, Indiana, contributing to local job creation. In line with the TechPoint AI-driven Skills for Indiana's Economy report, Arrive AI is scaling rapidly in Indiana, going from 6 to now approximately 60 employees. The state has seen a surge in AI job demand, and over half of Arrive AI's new hires are from central Indiana. Since it collaborates with Purdue and Indiana University to nurture talent and attract applicants from major tech companies. In regards to management, Arrive appointed Lori Tucker, former senior VP of marketing at FedEx, to its board of directors. Tucker brings extensive logistics and strategic expertise, including nearly 14 years at FedEx and leadership roles on several corporate boards. She is also the co-founder and chief strategy officer of Kaladi Partners, and has served on boards like Iron Mountain, Bread Financial, and Forward Air. CEO Dan O'Toole welcomed Tucker's appointment, noting her experience in last-mile logistics will help guide and accelerate Arrive AI's growth in autonomous delivery. Arrive has certainly grown since being founded by O'Toole in 2014, developing Arrive points through multiple iterations and acquisitions. By the time it started trading on the NASDAQ in mid-May under the ticker symbol ARAI, support from early investors raised nearly $12 million through crowdsourcing, gathering close to 5,000 private investors. In regards to share value, Arrive launched a $10 million share repurchase program authorized by its board of directors. The program, running through March 31, 2026, reflects the board's belief that the company's current share price is undervalued, given its long-term growth prospects in the autonomous delivery sector. Repurchases may occur in the open market through private transactions or via Rule 10b5-1 trading plans, depending on market conditions and other factors. The program is subject to modification, suspension, or termination at the company's discretion. CEO Dan O'Toole stated that the company views its stock as undervalued in light of its momentum and the significant opportunity in autonomous, secure delivery. He emphasized that the repurchase program allows Arrive AI to capitalize on favorable conditions while continuing to focus on long-term shareholder value as it builds out its last-mile delivery solutions. And with its transition to the public market, Arrive entered a new phase of growth, which got an additional boost around the time of the IPO, thanks to a $40 million capital infusion from Streeterville Capital. Other noteworthy financial moves involve the acceptance of cryptocurrency that allows vendors, clients, and employees to be paid in Bitcoin. In fact, Dan O'Toole announced he will be the first to receive compensation in cryptocurrency, following a model similar to that of MicroStrategies. The company also envisions developing its own digital currency, Arrive Coin, to facilitate payments within its ecosystem, reward customers, and streamline transactions in its autonomous delivery network, helping to enhance transparency, efficiency, and speed while offering stakeholders a stake in its platform's growth. O'Toole highlighted that cryptocurrency could help attract top AI talent, especially given that the company plans to expand its workforce by adding artificial intelligence scientists and software engineers. The adoption of crypto payments aims to appeal to a younger generation of tech workers, particularly those in blockchain and Web3 sectors, who prefer the real-time, borderless nature of cryptocurrency transactions. Arrive AI also sees cryptocurrency as a potential investment strategy for its cash holdings and plans to explore a Bitcoin-denominated fundraising mechanism. A recent Deloitte survey indicated that many U.S. businesses are moving toward cryptocurrency for its benefits, including faster transactions, lower fees, and improved cross-border payment capabilities. Marketing-wise, Arrive AI arrived in front of more investors since its IPO through a national TV commercial campaign, with New to the Street, NTTS, that aired on major financial networks like CNBC, Fox Business, and Bloomberg. Reportedly having a reach of over 220 million U.S. homes through New to the Street syndicated TV series, along with distribution via YouTube, OTT platforms, and digital pre-roll ads. The campaign highlighted Arrive AI's patented smart mailbox technology, its expansive U.S. patent portfolio, and its applications in healthcare, e-commerce, and temperature-sensitive logistics, aligning with the company's rapid commercialization and sector expansion. Vince Caruso, creator and host of New to the Street, praised Arrive AI's compelling presence in the campaign, which was also featured on billboards, including those in Times Square. NTTS's cross-channel strategy integrating TV broadcasts, YouTube, social media, and news out has been called highly effective since it delivered millions of views with an average 87% view completion rate. Even Arrive AI's campaign alone garnered over 566,000 views on YouTube. Then, to arrive in the future faster, Arrive's progress with patents is also moving along. Its pace had been pushed by acquisitions like that of Airbox Technologies in the past, using acquired assets like patents and key staff to better its offerings, particularly in medical and healthcare logistics. serving as a foundation for wider adoption of its autonomous delivery systems in other industries, like food service, e-commerce, and government. Along the way, Arrive also secures its own patents. For example, not long after its IPO, it secured a patent for its climate-assisted Arrive points, which covers the ability to heat and cool items on demand, made possible by features such as temperature control, battery charging, material identification for safety, UV and ozone systems to eradicate harmful materials, and advanced security elements like facial recognition, two-way communication, and weather monitoring. CEO Dan O'Toole highlighted the significance of this patent, especially for industries like healthcare, where temperature-sensitive items such as tissue samples and pharmaceuticals can benefit from controlled delivery. He emphasized that these innovations offer life-saving potential and convenience for both the healthcare and retail sectors. Shortly after, Arrive's 9th U.S. patent protected the design of its Arrive points, making Arrive points the first device to receive patent protection for a docking station accessible by all three delivery methods, via drone, robot, or human. The patent strengthens the security of Arrive points, making them more resistant to tampering, weather damage, and other environmental factors. It also enables the integration of autonomous battery exchanges, drone charging pads, and sensor arrays without the need for major redesigns. This is a significant improvement, as it helps enhance the robustness and cost efficiency of the product while maintaining flexibility for future technological additions. Arrive AI's earlier patents have covered various aspects of its delivery platform, including temperature control, tethering, sensors, and sanitization. The new design incorporates these features into the unit's physical structure, improving the manufacturing process and reducing assembly steps, enabling more cost-effective production, lower unit prices, and greater scalability as mass production of Arrive points is expected soon. In total, Arrive has almost 60 patents pending in 22 countries, alongside multiple trademarks, leaving plenty of room for intellectual property growth as things ramp up in the years ahead. Looking ahead and up in the sky, Arrive points could also benefit by integrating time-of-flight tough sensors to optimize efficiency and reduce costs. These sensors enable couriers, whether human or autonomous, to instantly know which mailboxes contain packages and how much truck space is needed, eliminating inefficient manual checks, thereby reducing unnecessary stops, lowering fuel consumption, and accelerating delivery times, all while easing congestion. The TOF sensors also provide valuable real-time data that enhances courier performance by tracking package sizes, retrieval times, and delivery efficiency. This data is processed by Edge AI, ensuring that the system remains cost-effective without requiring bulky cameras or expensive processors, resulting in a more streamlined delivery process with fewer wasted resources, meaning these kinds of small improvements will undeniably end up making a big difference over time as logistics efficiency and financial savings start being delivered to users and couriers alike. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.